Hi and welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm gonna be replacing engine air filter on 2013 Dodge Journey. This is gonna apply to Dodge Journeys made from 2011 and all the way up to 2020. Engine air filter on this Dodge Journey is located in engine compartment on the driver's side right under this air box. To remove this air box you will have to lose 4 cross screws that are located in each corner of this air box. So one is right here, another is here, one more there, and one more right there. So for this you can use a Phillips or cross screwdriver. You don't have to remove them all the way, you just want to loosen them up. I already did that on all 4, and then once they are loose you can simply just lift up your air box and pull out the old filter. So I got the old filter out. As you can see, it's kind of dirty. You don't have to remove anything else, not even this hose. Once when you have all these screws loose, you have enough space to lift this up and pull the filter out. Before installing a new filter, you want to make sure to clean this air box, because in most cases you will find some dirt and debris right inside it. I cleaned up my airbox now and I'm gonna install the filter. I have a new filter inside. You wanna now make sure you align these holes with those screws, and you wanna tighten up those 4 screws back. And that's it, all done. Filter is replaced. Thanks for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like it and consider subscribing to my channel. Thank you, bye.